Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the vehicle and environment. Start War Thunder and enter Test Drive or the hangar. Once done, open Protection Analysis from the right side modules. This immediately overlays armor and hit zones. Make sure you choose the correct ammunition type and set distance to match expected engagement ranges because penetration values change with velocity. You will now be ready to take the first shots or use the inspection cursor to probe angles, seeing effective thickness and weak spots in real time. Next, you methodically probe armor angles and likely aim points. First, position yourself at realistic engagement ranges and inspect slope and cupola areas. These change effective thickness dramatically. Then fire controlled test shots or use the tool's penetration preview to see colored outcomes. Green for penetration, red for bounce. While doing this, compare the effective thickness readout to your ammo penetration stat so you understand why a shot bounces. If needed, adjust aim high or low to target weak joints. Finally, consolidate what you learned. Capture screenshots and note exact aim points, distances, and angles that produced penetrations. Once done, rehearse those shots in Test Drive until they become instinctive. Flank and rehearse firing positions to exploit weak seams. If the protection analysis seems inaccurate, make sure you selected the correct ammo and distance, disable any conflicting mods, and reboot the game client. One key troubleshooting tip is to verify the vehicle configuration matches the analyzed loadout before trusting the data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.